Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper, and I'm going to cover around 60 job postings which are published in today's assignment newspaper. There are many free recruitments as well, so please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss on any opportunity. And friends, if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon because I'm posting latest Gulf jobs on a daily basis. And don't forget to like the video. So the first posting is for UAE and Bahrain. It's a free recruitment. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 4th of November and at Surat on 9th of November. So friends, for Bahrain, the positions are crane operator, any Gulf license, rigger, shuttering carpenter, shipping clerk, pipe fabricator, tacker, welder manual, welder machine, PWST foreman, PWST technician, furnace operator, blaster foreman, spray painter, rigger for painting, shipping rigger, and paint foreman. Helpers required in rigger, PWST, rigger for painting, shop rigger, and shipping rigger. So these are helpers category. Then there is opening for UAE as well. The position is welders, GTAW plus SMAW, SS and CS, and pipe fabricator. So free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. And friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions for Bahrain or UAE, then cv.flywellmanpower@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. And friends, you can see the mobile numbers are also mentioned. Next posting is for Saudi Arabia, and this is an urgent requirement for a building maintenance company. Interviews will be on 5th, 6th and 7th of November. The positions are security guards, plumbers, masons, painters and general laborers. Interested candidates can share their CV at jobs@ajmalenterprises.com. ajmalenterprises.com. You can see the contact numbers also. Take a screenshot if needed. So friends, many people were asking for security guard jobs, so they can definitely go for it. Next is for Qatar, and it's a completely free recruitment. So friends, shortlisting on 28th and 29th October, and the final client interview will be on 30th of October. This is an urgent requirement for an international oil and gas company for their mechanical division. The positions are project coordinators, offshore, estimation engineers, piping and structural, field engineers, piping and structural, construction supervisors, piping and structural, mechanical supervisor, rigging cum scaffolding foreman, forklift operator with Qatar license, piping or mechanical foreman, tank PTW, AutoCAD technicians, piping and structural, tank fitters and tank fabricators. Attractive salary plus free food and accommodation will be provided by company. And friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then sigilqatar2024@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. So friends, this is also free recruitment. It means there will be no service charge. This is for Saudi again, and this is also free recruitment. So shortlisting is in progress. Final client interview will be held shortly. The position is wireman or electrician. Candidate should have at least 4 years of experience in the panel wiring of electrical switchgear panel boards in panel assemble manufacturing companies. Candidates with experience in construction are not considered. So friends, these are the contact details for your reference. This posting is by Asia Power. So it's a free recruitment for Alfanar. Next is for Oman, for a leading ready-mix company. So the positions are heavy duty driver, transit mixer, Oman license is required, shovel operator, Oman license, lab technician, batching plant operator, batching plant in charge and permit holder. Telephonic interview will be there for the shortlisted candidates. So first you need to send your CV for shortlisting. Once it gets shortlisted, they will arrange your telephonic interview with the client. Free food, accommodation and OT will also applicable. So you can see the mobile number and email ID for this posting. So the email ID for this posting is rocjobs@gmail.com. Next is for UAE. Client interviews will be on 29th of October at Mumbai. Below is the address. The positions are instrument foreman, instrument fitter, tube fitter, instrument electrician, structural welder, and industrial electrician. Gulf experience is preferred. Employment visa must have experience in same field. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. So uajobs@transasia.info is the email ID for this posting, and these are the contact numbers. So friends, today there are many attractive jobs. Please don't skip, watch complete video, and don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. This is for Kuwait, for a leading electromechanical company. The positions are HVAC foreman, electrical foreman, water pump mechanics, draftman electrical, draftman mechanical, HVAC technicians, mechanical foreman, electricians, plumber, and generator technicians. The vacancies are in large number. So they have mentioned that while you are sending your CV, please mention the position and current location in subject line, specifically for this posting only. So friends, you can see the WhatsApp number is mentioned in the posting. You can see the email ID as well. Next is for UAE. It's a oil and gas shutdown. Client interview on 12th November in Mumbai and 15th November in Cochin. The positions are area in charge, rigging superintendent, HSE technician or fire watch, QC inspector mechanical, welder multi-process, permit receiver or job performer, supervisor mechanical welding and rigging, technicians mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and bolt working, pipe fabricator, mechanical fitter or general fitter, pipe fitter, rigger, planner and HSE officer. So friends, jobs@brightinternational.in is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the contact details as well. So if you wish to apply, apply immediately. There is a sufficient time for shortlisting. Next is for Oman. It's a long-term project, excellent salary and other benefits. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. So friends, the positions are linemen, gardeners, welders 6G arc, heavy drivers with Oman license, foreman electrical, mechanical and civil and mechanical helpers, electrical technicians, crane operators, rig, fitters or fabricators, riggers, banksmen, immediate departure after selection. So candidates must have experience in oil and gas industry. And friends, if you are willing to apply for any of this position, then resume.kpm@yahoo.com is the email ID, and this is the detailed address and mobile number as well. And friends, the job postings which are being published in Assignment Abroad Times newspaper are most genuine and authenticate job postings, because Assignment Abroad Times not allowed the consultants to publish their job postings in the newspaper, those who don't have the proper license by Ministry of External Affairs or from the Government of India. So you can trust on all the postings published in today's newspaper. But whenever if someone asks you for money, so you have to be very careful. you need to cross check everything and then only submit your passport and proceed further. So this is for Abu Dhabi for an international oil and gas company, immediate departure. And friends, this is also free recruitment. So friends, if you are applying for any free recruitment jobs postings, so please make sure that they should not ask you for any money, because it is clearly mentioned it's a free recruitment. It means you no need to pay anything, ticket, visa, everything will be processed by company. You just need to travel, that's it. Even the medical reimbursement also happens by the company. So you can inquire about all these things with the agent before you finalize anything. So walk-in interviews on 26th and 28th of October. The positions are fire watchers 15 positions, hole watchers 15 positions, mechanical helpers 30 positions, and grinding helpers 25 positions. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Only ECNR candidates need to apply. Please make a note of this. If you have ECR passport, then please don't apply. The email ID for this posting is resume1@sigalindia.net. You can see the contact details below. Next is for Kuwait. This is for a maintenance project. Shortlisting is in progress. Client interviews on November 24th. So friends, the positions are supervisor, instrument, supervisor mechanical, foreman gas, mechanical technician, instrument technician, field hydrocarbon technician or operator, SCADA operator, and mechanical fitter. So friends, you can see they have clearly mentioned the detailed requirement for each position. If you wish, you can take a screenshot and read every detail carefully before you apply, and make sure that you are fulfilling the required criteria. So friends, the email ID for this posting is suchita@asiapower.co. You can send your documents on this email ID to apply for above positions. Next is for Saudi, for a Aramco project of a leading company. Interviews will be on 29th October at Cochin and 30th of October at Trivandrum. QC electrical, Saudi Aramco approved. Rigger level 3, Saudi Aramco card. Safety supervisor, 2 years Aramco experience is required. Coating supervisor, QC coating, welding, piping. CP engineer, auto electrician, backhoe operator, MEP engineer, CP technician, and loader operator. So friends, you can see the salary range is clearly mentioned for all the positions. So the salary for QC electrical is between 8,500 to 12,000 Saudi Riyal. Likewise, you can see for all the other positions as well. So friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then your CV, passport, and photo you can send on the WhatsApp number given below, and they will approach you. The safer side, I always suggest to send an email. You can see 2 email addresses and around 4 mobile numbers are mentioned in the posting. So friend, interviews will be on 29th of October at Kerala, and on 30th of October also in Kerala, in Trivandrum on 30th and 29th at other location. So you can note these details. Next is for UAE NSH. Shortlisting is in progress. Client interview shortly in Mumbai. The positions are HSC engineer, HSC officer, and fire watcher. Candidates must have diploma BTech in any discipline plus NIBOSH with minimum 4 to 8 years of experience in oil and gas petrochemical. Other positions are instrumentation foreman, electrical foreman, instrumentation technician, instrumentation tube fitter, electrician, cable tray fitter, instrument fitter, and tube fitter. Minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry. If you wish to apply for any of these positions, then mansi@asiapower.co is the email ID for this posting. You can send your documents for shortlisting. Next is for Saudi, walk-in interview on 5th and 6th of November, and the final interview with the clients on 10th of October in Mumbai. Friends, this is completely free recruitment and it's a 6 months of short-term project. So the positions are supervisor, rotating equipment, supervisor mechanical, crane operator, overhead, fabricators, fitters, insulators, foreman mechanical technicians, rigger first, second, rotating equipment technicians, storekeeper or material coordinator, turbine technicians and valve technicians. So food is included in salary, so they'll not be provide food allowance. Maintenance experience will be preferred, and free accommodation plus OT will be provided by company. Only shortlisted candidate will be allowed to attend the final interview with client. So friends, first you need to send your CV for shortlisting. If it gets shortlisted, they'll allow you to attend the final interview with client. So smc resume 777@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see the multiple contact numbers are also mentioned. So this is free recruitment for Saudi for a 6 months of short term project. Next is for DTC Dubai. Final client interview on 26th, 28th and 29th of October. It's a long term job, normal medical. Positions are electrician, welder, plumber, fire alarm technician, AC technician or HVAC technician, pipe fitter, shuttering carpenter, furniture carpenter, firefighting technician, gypsum carpenter, mason, scaffolder, steel fixer, structure fitter or fabricator, aluminium fitter, instrument technician, rigger, grinder, gas cutter, mechanical technician or fitter, driver with Dubai license, general helper, packing helper and indoor helper of all types. So friends, freshers can also apply for these positions like general helpers and packing helpers. Accommodation, food allowance will be provided by company. Duty will be of 8 hours plus 4 hours OT. Compulsory 4 hours OT you will get. So friends, salary here mentioned is minimum 1300 to maximum 3000 AD. You can see the contact numbers below. You can call them if you have any queries in the posting. Next is for Saudi. The vacancies are in large number. Walk in for the interview on 26, 28, 29 and 30th of October and final client interview at Mumbai shortly. So friends, the positions are pipe fabricators, structural fabricators, SMAW 6GR welders, FCAW 6GR welders, SMAW plus FCAW 6GR welders. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company plus OT will also applicable. So friends, if you wish to apply for this position, then hr16@asmax.net is the email ID and you can see the WhatsApp number adjacent to email ID. Friends, there are many attractive openings going ahead, so please don't skip. Have some patience, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. This is for Oman, client interview on 27th of October in Mumbai. So the positions are shuttering carpenters, steel fixers, spray painters and ductmen. Free food will be provided by company. Employment visa vacancies are in large number. You can see the contact number and the email ID for this posting is seniorcvs122@gmail.com. Next is for Dubai. Client interview on 27th and 28th of October in Mumbai. The positions are 3G, 4G welders, 6G MIG welders, hydro blasters, structural fabricators, 5 fabricators with drawing knowledge, 6GR arc welders, precast erectors, mechanical helpers. Vacancies are in large number, very attractive salary packages. So friends, the email ID for this posting is cv.nasma@gmail.com, and you can see the contact numbers also. This is for Saudi again. The positions are AutoCAD draftsman, diploma, experience of wood and steel furniture and doors, CNC maintenance engineer, diploma, 5 years experience in CNC machine for wood, aluminum fabricator, furniture carpenter, furniture polisher, and agriculture engineer. So friends, vacancies are in large number. You can send your CV on Fine International 786@gmail.com. You can see the contact number as well. So this is for Saudi. Next is for Middle East, shortlisting in progress, Gulf experience required, upcoming face-to-face interview. So positions are chainman, concrete truck, mason, concrete supervisor in charge for all the concrete mixers deliveries, and team leader, track team leader, track worker, helper, carpenter, steel fixer, welder, arc welding, molder, finishing grinder, concreting supervisor, TRK supervisor, and logistics supervisor or helper. Forklift operator, helper, only what is needed in addition is licenses. Logistics assistant, project support, same as track worker, and project support helper. So friends, these positions are posted by Asia Power. If you wish to apply for any of these positions, you can apply directly. Next is for a Middle East, client interviews on 27th of October. So friends, this posting is for Saudi, and the positions are electricians, ITI or diploma, 50 openings, electrical engineers and foreman, heavy equipment operator, lineman, surveyors, and JCB operator. For landscape project, machine technician come gardener, foreman, supervisor, project manager, laborer or helper, mechanic technician come gardener, pest control supervisor, project engineer, gardener, landscape architect, and mason. Friends, there are some technicians position for O&M project, and this is going to be CV selection. So the positions are generator, electrical or mechanical technician, pump technician, safety, BMS, electrical, HV, MV, LV, maximum operating, motor winding, heavy equipment, spray painters, cable jointer, furniture carpenter, grill welder, audio visual, aluminum fabricator, flexo printing machine operator, HVAC, mixing machine operator, production supervisor, experience in UPVC, PVC pipe factory. For steel factory, welders required 6G, 6GR position, SMAW, FCAW, GTAW, steel erectors, foreman, erectors, fitters, helpers, painters, scaffolders, banksmen, and electricians. So friends, you can see there are multiple openings for Saudi. So if you wish to apply for these positions, then contact us @fastnaukri.com is the email ID for this posting. And friends, you can see the mobile number as well. So this is for Saudi. Interviews will be on 27th of October. Next is for Kuwait, for a leading beverage manufacturing and distribution company. So the positions are post mix technician, cooler section, refrigeration technician, cooler technician, machine electrician production, ammonia compressor supervisor, line electrical supervisor, maintenance supervisor, carpenter, hygiene supervisor, production in charge, and paid bottle inspector. For a leading furniture and home furnishing manufacturing company, the positions are aluminum production supervisor, aluminum installation supervisor, and aluminum technicians. For road construction company, the positions are asphalt foreman, paver machine operator, cold milling machine operator, road roller operator, steel and rubber. For a catering company, for their KOC project, the positions are camp boss, continental or Indian cook, South Indian cook, and chief cook, Western. So friends, for all these positions, interview will be on 30th of October and 31st of October. So there are multiple openings for Kuwait. If you wish to apply, then please don't miss the opportunity. And the email ID for this posting is jobs.soundlines@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number as well. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Gulf candidates with 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas. Client interview in Mumbai on 27th of October. So the positions are instrument technicians, electricians, cable tray fitter, instrument fitters, instrument tube fitter, electrical foreman, instrumentation foreman. And there are some other positions for Saudi. So Nibosh must for all categories. Vacancies 50 numbers for each position and salary between 4 to 14,000 Saudi Riyal. The positions are safety HSE officer, safety HSE supervisor, safety HSE manager, and safety HSE engineer. So the email ID for this posting is yorkmumbai@gmail.com, and you can see the multiple contact numbers are mentioned in the posting. So friends, this posting is for Abu Dhabi and Saudi. Interviews on 27th October. Next is for Middle East. In leading construction company in Bahrain. So the positions are forklift operator, Gulf license, laborer or helpers, construction worker. Leading company for UAE, the requirements are butcher, room attendant, plumber, carpenter, aluminum fabricator, then bellman, technicians, steel fixer, grill cook, electrician, AC technician, tile mason, and salesman. Operators, excavator, dozer, bulldozer, shovel, grader, heavy truck, and the Gulf license is required. For Kuwait, waiters or waitress, nurses or home care with BSc nursing qualification. This is for a leading hospitality company in Kuwait, and there are some other positions for Kuwait itself. So the positions are assistant restaurant manager, barista, shift manager, and team member. For Saudi, paint production film PPF installer. For Qatar, cash van salesman with Qatar license. So friends, mumbai@jobsglobal.com is the email ID for this posting. So you can see the contact numbers as well. There are multiple openings for Saudi, Kuwait, UAE, and Bahrain. Next is for UAE. Client interview on 20th of October in Mumbai. So friends, the positions are FCAW MIG welders, 3G, 4G, MIG arc welders, structural fitters, structural fabricators, pipe fitters, pipe fabricators, TIG and arc welders, CSSS, full TIG welders, CSSS, and DSS welders, TIG, arc, and full TIG. So friends, you can see the salary is clearly mentioned for all the positions. Free food, accommodation, and OT will be provided by company. Vision Arabia 304@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the contact details below. Friends, very few postings are remaining that might be your dream job opening. So please don't skip, watch complete video. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friend, and subscribe if you are new on this channel. Next is for Saudi. Client interview in Patna on 27th of October. in Mumbai on 28 October. So the positions are electrical technician, substation, industrial electrician, cable, termination LV, and cable jointer, MV cable. Required 4 to 5 years of experience in relevant field. Substation experience will be preferred. So the email ID for this posting is opening at soundlines@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number. So friends, if needed, you can take screenshot of each posting and the contact detail section, so that you should have the mobile number and email ID handy whenever you apply for these positions. Next is for UAE, for a MEP company. Positions are plumber and electricians. Salary for both the position would be between 1200 to 1400 AD. Vacancies are in large number. Gulf experience will be preferred. ITI or diploma and in a relevant field is required. Client interviews on 26th of October. So you can send your CV on the given email ID. Next is for Saudi, for a real estate company. Client interview at Cochin on 4th November and in Mumbai will be on 5th November. The age criteria limit between 23 to 35 years. Direct company visa. The positions are mechanical engineer, electronic technician, HVAC technician, building electrician, all-rounder mason, AC technician and plumber. So friends, the email ID for this posting is vacancy soundlines1@gmail.com. This is the contact details. Next is for Saudi again, for Riyadh Metro project. Client interview in Mumbai on 7th of November. So friends, the positions are electronics engineer, RO operator or technician, electrical technician, firefighting technician, electrical and estimation supervisor, control system engineer, mechanical technician, sliding door technician, electrical engineer, tunnel ventilation system, electrical and control maintenance technician, automatic sliding door technician, fire alarm supervisor, BMS technician, HVAC technician, pump technician, DX technician, heavy driver with Saudi license, light driver also with Saudi license, FBE coating, and these are the positions. Vacancies in large number, attractive salary. Candidates must have minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in the maintenance field. Email ID for this posting is rktscv002@gmail.com, and you can see the contact number as well. So you can send your CV on rktscv002@gmail.com for shortlisting. Next is for Saudi, for a maintenance project. So you can call on given number. The email ID they haven't mentioned the email ID, so you can call directly. Positions are vessel fabricators and tank fabricators. Must have experience in vessel and tank and heat exchanger. Immediate departure visa is ready. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty will be there. Next is for Saudi again. We have seen this posting. This is for UAE. So the positions are steel fixer RCC, marble mason dry mixing, electrician electrical fitting, block mason and plaster mason, finishing and furniture carpenter, shuttering carpenter, drivers UAE license. Accommodation, transportation and medical will be provided by company. 8 hours duty plus OT, 1 weekly off, common to all work. So friends, you can see the email ID is he.resumes1@gmail.com, and the contact details are also mentioned. So you can take a screenshot if needed. Next is for Saudi, shortlisting in progress, Gulf experience is required. So the positions are iron worker, mechanical foreman, mechanical supervisor, painting and insulation supervisor, pipe fitter, piping foreman, piping supervisor, plate welder, 3G, rigger, first and third, QC inspector, steel structure foreman, steel structure supervisor, and steel and structure supervisor, support foreman, 6G TIG welder, work permit receiver. So for work permit receiver, Aramco approved should be required. For all the candidates must be suitably qualified with 5 to 10 years of Gulf experience in refinery, oil and gas and petrochemicals project. Shortlisting will be held on the given address in the given timings. Next is for Saudi again, for a multinational group of company. The positions are telecom technicians, hydraulic mechanic, rough terrain crane operator, Kenworth truck driver, Kenworth truck mechanical, wheel loader or forklift operator, marketing manager, Gulf experience, trailer driver, low bed, flat bed and hydraulic bed, telecom riggers, rigger first, rigger third, diesel mechanic, mobile crane operator. Shortlisting in progress, so you can send your documents immediately. Experience, fresh, Gulf license, Aramco certified, anyone can apply. So the email ID for this posting is jobsnew_ahead@yahoo.com. So friends, those who are freshers can apply for the entry level positions, and this posting is for Saudi, for a multinational company. This is for Qatar. Food and accommodation will be provided by company. Client interview will be on 29th of October. So the positions are building electricians, pipe and mechanical fitter, scaffolder, structurer or pipe fabricator, MIG welder, marketing executive and senior accountant. Candidates having minimum 5 to 7 years of experience including Gulf in the same jobs may report with biodata, original copies of educational experience certificates, original passport with color, Xerox and white background photo too. So friends, either you walk in with this or you can send an email also. Mumbai link cv@gmail.com is the email ID, or you can contact on given numbers. Next is for a company in Oman for their motor winding department. So the positions are supervisor, foreman, motor winders medium voltage and low voltage, electrical fitters, assistant electricians. So you can see the salary range for all the positions. All the above categories should have diploma, ITI. Overtime, food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Client interview on 28th of October. The positions are mechanical technician, static. This is also for Oman for a shutdown project. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. There are some other positions for a civil construction company in Oman. So the positions are masons, block and platers, mason tiles, steel fixer or carpenters and assistant electricians. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided for these positions as well. So the email ID for this posting is gulfjobs@sapphire consultants.com. So friends, these are the contact details for your reference. So these openings for Oman, all three openings for Oman for a different companies. Next is for Saudi. Friends, it's a completely free recruitment and long-term job. Client interview will be in Mumbai. So walk in on 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st of October. Age below 35. Indian experience will also accepted. Positions, all positions are in control panel, electrician, assistant electrician, wireman, assistant wireman, testing technician, commissioning or installing technician, quality check technician and electrical technician. SSC, ITI, diploma with 3 to 5 years of experience in MV, LV, control panel wiring, testing, installing, commissioning, quality check, may report immediately with their updated CV and the documents they have mentioned. So company will offer excellent salary, overtime, food, accommodation, transportation, incentives, 42 days paid leave every 2 years. Medical insurance also will be provided by company. So resume @betahr.com is the email ID for this posting. So if you wish to apply for any of this position, then this is the email ID and the contact details for your reference. Next is for Oman. So friends, this is for a civil construction project and furniture factory. Final client interview will be on first week of November in Mumbai and Gorakhpur. Freshers candidate required with Indian experience. The positions are mason, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter, furniture carpenter, wooden spray painter. Free food, accommodation, transportation, medical, OT will be provided by company. Duty will be of 9 hours, 5 days a week. Friends, here it is clearly mentioned by the consultant that service charge will be 20,000. So friends, let me remind you, I'm a simple YouTuber. My responsibility and my work is to bring latest and genuine jobs for you guys on a daily basis. I'm doing a lot of research to bring all this posting together, but you will have to deal directly with the agent on the service charge matter. That's the reason I'm trying to bring more and more free recruitments so that you should not pay a single penny from your pocket. But not all the positions are coming through free recruitment. So it's completely relationship between you and the consultant. My role is just to bring latest opportunities for you guys and guide you. So if you need any guidance, if you need any information or any opinion, you are always welcome. I'm always available for you guys. So you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description of this posting is for Qatar. It's an urgent requirement for a reputed oil and gas company. Client interview on 28th of October. So friends, the positions are foreman painting, scaffolding foreman, scaffolder foreman tank, fabricator tank and fitter tank, rigger or erector, TIG arc welder 6G, stainless steel SS and CS, scaffolding supervisor, charge hand, scaffolding assistant scaffolder, charge hand tank, pipe and welding and rigging. So friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then hr3.dishaintl@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. So the interviews will be on 28th of October. This is for UAE. It's a long-term project, walk-in on 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st of October. So age below 40 years, only Gulf experience candidate will be preferred. So you can see positions and number of openings for each position is given. So the positions are piping and structural foreman, vessel foreman, E&I foreman, pipe fabricator, fitter with track welding, fire watcher, 6G TIG and ARC, CS, SS, 6G TIG and ARC, SCW, CS, SS, piping supervisor, vessel fabricator, rigging foreman, pipe fitter, mechanical assistant, rigger level 2 and 3. For welder, Indian or Gulf experience, both will be accepted. So friends, resume@betahr.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi. For electrical wire and cable manufacturing company, the position is engineers, electronic, mechanical experience of freshers. Required for a firefighting company in Saudi, the positions are mechanical draftsman, fire alarm technician, mechanical technician, firefighting firefighting pipeline fitter and accountant. There are some other positions as well. Male nurse, experience in ICU, electromechanical technician for glass interior designing company, QA/QC engineer for aluminum factory, freight forwarder coordinator, import export for shipping company. So friends, you can apply with all your relevant documents and you can send your documents on jobs@gulftravels.com. You can see the mobile number for Mumbai and Delhi office, so you can approach accordingly. This is for Middle East, walk-in on 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st of October. Long-term job, age below 45, 4 to 5 years of Gulf experience is required. Positions, you can see there are bulk openings. So the positions are planning engineer, mechanical, estimation engineer, oil and gas or chemical, mechanical inspector, rotating and static equipments, painting inspector, equipment or vehicle inspector, welding inspector, mechanical supervisor, scaffolding supervisor, welding foreman, plant mechanical foreman, automobile, electrical foreman commissioning, assistant HSE officer or fire watch, heavy equipment mechanic, power generator technician, heavy or light vehicle mechanic, pay welder operator, rolling machine operator or fabricators, insulation inspector, civil inspector, hydrotest supervisor, civil foreman, carpenter foreman, steel fixer foreman, transport coordinator, material controller, HSE officer, sheet metal fitter, instrument fitter, denter, insulator, spray painter and sandblaster. Friends, there are some other positions as well like motor rewinder, MEP technicians, electrician, plant, generator and panel, HVAC chiller technician, electrical technicians. So friends, for electrician 100 openings are there. Rest you can see 50, 20 openings are there. So resume @betahr.com. Email ID is remain same for this posting as well. Interviews will be from 28th to 31st. Friends, this is for Saudi for ready mix company. Client interview on 28th of October. You can see the positions are bulk, almost many category positions are covered. Fleet managers, HSE officers, hydraulic mechanics, ice plant operators, mobile pump, DCO, placing boom operators, plant maintenance supervisor, site ambassador, static pump operators, batching plant operators, bus drivers, concrete breakers, driver, team leaders, document controller with Gulf experience, stationary pump and placing boom foreman, skid loader operator, wheel loader operator, mixer driver, pickup driver with Gulf license, pipeline foreman, fleet supervisor, HSE team leaders, ice plant technicians, lab supervisors, plant electrician, plant in charges, MPV, PMV engineers, pump foreman, spider operators, fleet foreman, mobile static pump operator, diesel mechanics, flagman, HSE engineers, jointer, lab technicians, plant technicians, tiremen, denters, dispatchers, electricians, auto electricians, WTP operators. So friends, you must have seen these all are positions in bulk quantity. Email ID is iehksajobs@gmail.com. You can see the mobile numbers as well. So friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then send your CV on this email ID immediately so that you can attend interview on 28th. Next is for Saudi for a Jubail location. The positions are mechanical seal design engineer, machinist, senior maintenance technician, sales engineer, procurement officer, welding or quality inspector, HR and admin officer, TIG arc welder, electrical supervisor projects. So friends, you can see positions, number of openings and the requirements like qualification and experience range is given for all the positions. Better you take a screenshot and read it carefully before you apply. So if you wish to apply, then you can see the email ID and contact numbers are mentioned at the bottom of posting. Take a screenshot. Next is for Qatar. Client interview on 29th of October at Mumbai. The positions are TIG arc welders, welders 3G, 4G and 6G, pipe fabricator, tank fitter, rigger, scaffolder, sandblaster, airless spray painter, painting foreman, scaffolding foreman, supervisor charge hand, erector, roller painter and assistant scaffolder. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. So info govitravels@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see at the bottom of this posting, and the mobile numbers are also mentioned. Friends, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe if you are new. And if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to turn on the notification. This is for Saudi. Interviews will be on 30th of October at Mumbai. The email IDs are cb14 and 15 @hrinternational.in. You can see the detailed address and contact numbers as well. So the positions are electrical testing engineer, site electrical engineer, cable jointer, MV cable, electrical technician. So friends, for electrical technicians, the number of openings are 200, and for cable jointer 100. Email ID for this posting, you can see. Yeah, sorry, I have already tell you the email ID. The email ID has already been told. Next is for Middle East oil and gas maintenance project. The positions are instrument supervisor, fire and gas foreman, field operator, SCADA operator, generator service technician, electrical technician, rolling machine operator, lathe machine operator, QAQC civil inspector and mechanical engineer. These interviews are today. It will be over till I will post this video. So you can focus on this only. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 5th of November. The positions are shuttering carpenter foreman, steel fixer foreman, scaffolding foreman, shuttering carpenter, all-rounder mason, QAQC inspector, steel fixer, mason foreman, civil foreman, scaffolder, heavy mechanic, electrician and plumber. Client interview in Mumbai on 6th of November. 4G, 3G, 2G welders. So vacancy soundlines1@gmail.com is the email ID for these jobs. So if you wish to apply, you can apply immediately. Next is for Qatar. Required for a pharma company, bottle pack machine operator, electrical, QA pharmacist, purchase officer, production pharmacist, calibration technicians, blow fill seal technicians, inspection packing supervisors, glass filling machine operator technicians, foam fill seal operators, QC pharmacist, accountant, bottle pack operators, water treatment operators, injection molding technicians, nurse, male, storekeeper, IT engineer and baristas. Salary is negotiable. Free accommodation, free food on duty, 8 hours duty, 6 days a week. Contract will be of 2 years. There are some positions for Bahrain. The positions are pastry chef, bread makers, cake makers, ladies cutting master and ladies tailor for Bahrain. rizwan@saenterprises.org is the email ID for this posting. You can see the contact number as well. So friends, don't miss these opportunities. Next is for Saudi. Interview on 27th of October. Positions are pipe fabricator, pipe fitter, HVAC technicians, safety officer, industrial electrician, instrument technician and rotating technician. You can see the salary range and the openings. All candidates should have minimum 5 years of experience in oil and gas and petrochemical. So these are the contact details for your reference. Mobile number. This is for Bahrain and UAE. Shortlisting in progress. The positions are crane operator, rigger assistant, carpenter, shipping clerk, pipe fabricator, 6G full TIG welder, arc welder, PWST foreman, technician and assistant, blaster foreman, painting foreman, painter, rigger for painting, rigger assistant for painting, for UAE pipe welder, pipe fabricator. So friends, we have already seen this posting, I guess, by other consultant. Next is for Bahrain, and the interviews will be from 26th to 30th of October. Vacancies are in large number, immediate departure. The positions are wall painters, spray painters, sofa makers, seat makers, stainless steel welders, and furniture carpenters. Send your updated CV and documents for shortlisting at jobs@menalimited.com. You can see the WhatsApp number as well. So friends, if needed, you can contact them for any queries or doubts if you have. This is for Saudi, for a leading maintenance company. Client interview on 29th of October. The positions are electromechanical engineer, generator mechanical technicians, chiller technicians, pump technicians, electrical technicians, HVAC technicians, BMS technicians or operator, STP operator, and FBE coating. So friends, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience and degree is required, or diploma in respective field. Ability to speak Arabic and English preferable. So rktscv@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. This is for UAE. Vacancies are in large number, immediate departure. Positions are workshop foreman, heavy equipment mechanics, diesel mechanics, crusher charge hand, crusher fitters, crusher operators or helpers, drillers, lab technicians, dumper driver, excavator operator, heavy driver with UA license, system management, auto electrician, pipe fitter, welder, structural fabricator, shore operator, and North Indian cook. Engineering Mumbai, like enggmum@jesina.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Makkah. Only Muslim candidate are required for this. Client interview on 29th of October. So the positions are supervisor, foreman, plumbers, pipe fitters, electrical technicians, duct installer. So friends, Jabal resumes 2024 @gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. If needed, you can take a screenshot for this detailed requirements. So friends, this was the posting for today's video. I hope you got your dream job openings in this video. Apply immediately so that you can get sufficient time. And friends, don't forget to like the video and share with your friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification, those who have already subscribed, because it may cause in missing out on important videos. So thank you for watching complete video. I will be back tomorrow with another video on latest free girl jobs. Thank you for watching.